Sangguniang Bayan of Rina Mercedes is inassembled. The Honorable Harold Respicio presiding.
This session is called to order. Please lead the prayer, Madam General, please.
Let us all pray in the name of the Father, the Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. Almighty loving God, we thank you that we are all safe as we are together today in our session. We ask your guidance as we start our work. Help us to be just and fair in making decisions. Broaden our minds to listen to our other ideas and help us to communicate effectively. Help us not to decide for our own benefit, but beneficial to all. Grant us wisdom, clarity, integrity in our decisions. Help us to become considerate, honest in doing our tasks. Help us to become more patient and understanding to everyone, so that our responsibility that entrusted to us can be done correctly. Fill our heart with honesty, unity, respect, and understanding. We all ask your blessing and guidance in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen.
Please join, please.
The Honorable Paulo Aratun, the Honorable Arno Lembarangan, the Honorable Hilaria Cataran, the Honorable Edwin M. Esteban, the Honorable Albino Contapay, the Honorable Domingo P. Bawa Jr., the Honorable Heribert Galabay, and the Honorable Salvador Apostol III. Around, he has not made an excuse. The Honorable ABC Rodrigo Pascual and the Honorable Andre Dominic Mohangin. With the majority of the members of the Sangguniang Bayan who are present in this session, I hereby certify the presence for Mr. President.
Let's do business. Our valedictorian is absent today because his child is sick. So my boy, get well soon, because we miss your very smart father. What's your pleasure, Mr. Heribert Galabay?
Once again, good morning, August Body, Mr. Presiding Officer. Tayo po ay binigyan ng pagkakataong maging floor leader ng ating regular session ng Sangguniang Bayan ng Rina Mercedes sa araw na ito. Is there anyone from the members of the August Body wants to have a privilege message or privilege arm? Wala po, Mr. Presiding. So let's move to the committee report. Committee on Appropriation, Finance, and Budget Approval to be rendered by the Honorable S.D. Paulo Adun, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding, Mr. Majority Floor Leader, nabigla si SB Galabay. Mr. Presiding, committee report of the Committee on Finance, Budget Approval and Maintenance. Subject, conduct of Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan budget hearing for the 20 barangays of Reyna Mercedes. Date of hearing, October 1 and October 8, 2025. Committee Chairperson, yours truly, members present, Honorable Arnold Barangan and Honorable Heribert Galabay. For the introduction, the Committee on Barangay Affairs and Finance convened to conduct the annual review and evaluation of the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan budgets of the 20 barangays within the municipality of Reyna Mercedes. The hearing was conducted in compliance with the provisions of the Local Government Code of 1991 or the RA 7160, which mandates the Sangguniang Bayan to review all barangay budgets to ensure that they are in accordance with existing laws, budgetary rules, and development priorities of the municipality. The main objective of the hearing was to ensure that all barangay and SK budgets are aligned with the Annual Investment Plan or the AIP, prioritize basic services, and adhere to the prescribed budgetary requirements, such as the allocation for the 20 Development Fund, 20% Development Fund, 10% SK Fund, 5% Gender and Development God Fund, 1% Senior Citizens and PWD Funds, and 5% Disaster Risk and Reduction and Management Fund. Report and discussion. During the series of hearings, each of the 20 barangays, through their respective barangay captains and SK chairpersons, presented their proposed annual budget for review and confirmation. The committee truly examined the submitted documents, including the Barangay Appropriation Ordinance, annual investment plans, and program of works to ensure the compliance with the statutory and fiscal guidelines. The committee found that most barangays complied with the mandatory were advised to make minor adjustments to ensure proper fund utilization and alignment with the municipality overall development trust, particularly in some areas. The committee also acknowledged the efforts of the barangay officials and SK councils in ensuring that their proposed budgets reflect the needs of their constituents, especially in the implementation of youth-oriented programs, community safety, and disaster preparedness initiatives. All the 20 barangays and SK budgets were found to be generally compliant with existing laws and guidelines, subject to the submission of the minor revisions and documentary requirements identified during the review. For the recommendation, after due deliberation and review, the Committee on Budget and Finance hereby recommends the approval of the 20 barangays and Sangguniang Kabataan budgets of the 20 barangays of Reyna Mercedes, Isabela, subject to the incorporation of the noted corrections and compliance with existing accounting and auditing rules and regulations. The committee further recommends that the continuous technical assistance be provided by the Municipal Budget Officer, Municipal Accounting Office, and the DILG Municipal Office to ensure full compliance and efficient budget execution in all barangays. Prepared by Chairperson, Committee on Finance, Budget Approval and Maintenance, yours truly, Member Committee, Honorable Heribert Galabay and Honorable Arnold Barangan. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Honorable Paulo Adun, sa inyo pong committee report. Tunay nga po mga kababayan na ang konseho ng Reyna Mercedes ay nagkaroon ng deliberation sa mga budget ng mga 20 barangays ng municipality ng Reyna Mercedes. At hindi po natin, dun sa deliberation po natin, nagkaroon po tayo ng mga simpleng mga amendments, mga suggestion, para lalo po nila magamit ang kanilang mga pondo sa mas maayos at mas mga epektibong paraan. So Mr. Chair, Mr. Presiding, let's move to business of today's regular session. May I request the Sangguniang Secretary be to be directed to read the calendar of business of today's regular session.
Yes, Mr. We have the resolution declaring the annual budget for fiscal year 2026 of 20 barangays in the municipality of Reyna Mercedes. Then the second, updating the municipal revenue code of the municipality of Reyna Mercedes. Then the third, updating the rules, regulation, and
Turn on your mic, Mr. Heribert Galabay, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding. Mr. Secretary, unahin po muna natin the first item, the resolution declaring the annual budget of the 20 barangays of the municipality of Reyna Mercedes, referred to SB Honorable Paulo Adun.
Mr. Presiding, with regards with this unfinished business, the resolution declaring the annual budget for 2026 of 20 barangays in the municipality of Reyna Mercedes. With this, motion to pass a resolution declaring the annual budget for fiscal year 2026 of 20 barangays in the municipality of Reyna Mercedes. We have the copy of the resolution, Mr. Presiding.
Well appreciated, Mr. Honorable Number One. Let's deem this part as the second reading. That first part, the first reading being that time when it was referred to you. So it being the second reading, let's open the floor for debates and interpolation with respect to this proposed resolution. Anyone from the body who wish to debate our proponent with respect to the passage of the resolution? Meron po ba kayong katanungan?
Meron po ba sa ating mga kinatawan na gustong mga tanungin o mga paglilinaw regarding sa deklarasyon ng annual budget ng mga 20 barangays ng ating municipality?
Alright, kung wala pong katanungan, then let the period of debates be closed. As everyone in the body has a copy of the proposed resolution, we open the period for formal amendments. Any amendments from the council, please? There is none. That is closed. May I hear from the leader a motion to pass the proposed resolution for the second reading so that we may proceed on the third.
Mr. Presiding, I move to consider and pass the proposed resolution regarding the declaring the annual budget for the year 2026 of the 20 barangays of the municipality of Reyna Mercedes, Isabela, for its third reading, Mr. Chair.
Any second?
Second the motion, Mr.
Any objection? Then the motion is carried. We now enter the third reading of the draft resolution. Anyone who wishes to vote for the passage of the resolution, say aye.
Aye.
Yes. If not, say nay. I hear none. The resolution has passed this council.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding, and Mr. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. Secretary, next
For the
item
next
of business,
unfinished business, updating the Municipal Revenue Code of the Municipality of Reina Mercedes.
Mr. Presiding, for this business, we are waiting for the amount of the facilities or the amount of the rent of the facilities of municipalities, Mr. Chair. So, maybe next meeting, next session.
Mr. Honorable Number One, are we to conduct a hearing on this?
No need na.
No need.
Yes, Mr. President.
All right.
Mr. Presiding, ang alam ko na nai-refer na po ito sa inyo nung nakaraang session po natin. Bakit wala pa po tayong update regarding sa updating ng Municipal Revenue Code regarding sa pagpaparenta ng ating mga pasilidad? Mr. Chair, siguro ang suggestion po ng inyong pong kinatawan ay magkakandak po tayo ng committee hearing para imbitahan po natin ang mga barangay officials. Kasi po, dapat alam po nila ito regard sa lalo na yung coliseum po natin, yung function hall po natin, na ito ay open na gamitin sa publiko. Kailangan ang ating mga barangay officials ay magkaroon po sila ng sapat na kaalaman regarding sa pagrerenta. Ano po ang inyong pong masasabi, Honorable Aldun?
With that, Mr. Majority Leader, pwede naman po tayo mag-conduct ng committee hearing, Mr. Presiding.
Alright? Gamitin natin ang pagkakataon niyon para magtawaran tayo ng rates. Para maging affordable yung rate ng pagpaparenta ng ating public facilities.
Sige po. Pero may figure na po siya.
Meron
Pwede
na?
pa nating i-update. Wala naman pong problema.
Alright. That's
Para
another
sa
question.
lahat po.
At least we felt that we negotiated the rates.
Yes, Mr. Presiding.
Mr. Presiding, so we will ask the Honorable Abdun na schedule na lang po yung committee hearing.
Ngayon po is October 13. Pwede po siguro sa October 17. Ay. 16 po, 16.
16.
Apo.
That is Thursday.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you, Honorable Abdun.
October
Next
16.
items, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, Mr. Presiding, for clarification lang, sino po yung tatawagin natin?
Yung mga concerned
Yung mga barangay officials po siguro.
barangay officials or the punong barangay po, Mr. Secretary.
I mean, that's a matter that should be taken upon by the committee.
Yep.
Bahala na po sila kung
Usapan na lang.
gusto nilang pag Since the matter is already deferred. Yes. Go ahead.
Mr. Secretary, next item for the calendar of business of today's regular session.
For the activities, for the third, updating the rules, regulation, and operating conditions for the grant of franchise for motorized bicycle for hire in the municipality of Reina Mercedes.
The referred to Honorable Arnold and
Mr. Presiding Officer.
I thoroughly acknowledge the most handsome man in this council.
In this matter po, I am requesting for a committee hearing to be scheduled sa 16. Okay. May Mr. Majority Leader, Presiding Officer, may request to suspending the procedure because the franchising officer wants to give insights regarding this matter.
Oh! Alright. And who might that be? The next handsome man in this council. Oh! I realize it's the secretary.
Thank you, Sir.
You are as well.
Yes,
Mr. Presiding, the Secretary wants to be recognized.
Yes, he is.
yes, ating suspension of the internal rules of procedure. Actually, being the signature of the franchising, the president for the municipality of Rio Mercedes, I have requested through the committee chairman, the Honorable Ensa Arnold Pendarangan, as the chairman of the utility, public utility, in the municipality of Rio Mercedes. Because before, the our talk is just limited provisions. As you observe, Mr. Presiding, wala po sa top code natin regarding the body number. Naging initiation na lang po ng franchising officer na mag-create tayo ng fixed number para hindi na magulan. Actually, not necessary na kilala natin yung order. The number itself, ma-identify na natin kung sino yun. So ngayon, kailangan ni through ordinance, i-amend natin yun para mas maging mabigat yun. I-amend natin, ilagay na natin yun sa ordinance plano. At the same time, yung specific and yung color and number, kasi yung observation ko kasi yung mga nilagay natin 2 years ago, faded na po. So kailangan na ilagay na natin yung palitan na natin. At the same time, yung mayroon tayong additional rock kasi to be open na itong terminal natin. Kasi doon sa all-end talk natin, hindi included po yung terminal niya. At the same time, doon sa riverside, wala po tayo sa riverside. So, kailangan po siguro natin i-amend yan kung ano ba yung mga pwedeng idagdag. Pero yun lang, yung mga basic lang yung ginano ko para kasi yung ginawa yung initiation po natin noon, na paglagay noon, is just supplementary, lang yun. Rule lang yun. Pero, pwede naman nilang i-contest yun kasi wala sa para may meeting. That's why the office of the franchising office is requesting forms immediate amendment. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. You make me feel excited, Mr. Wesley Mawa. I think it presents a propitious opportunity to carry out a hearing with our tricycle people para marinig na rin yung kanilang pinadahin. I think para lahat na rin ng issues nila ay matalakay. Kasama na yung free franchise. Kasi parang maraming mag-i-sponsor yan mula dito sa ating council, mula sa kanilang sariling bulsa. Kasama na doon, parang proposition yun ni Honorable Harry Burke na labay. Napakagaling talaga yung ating leader ng ating mga toda dito sa ating bayan, ating mahal na Secretary Mawa. I think next time nasa council ito lang. That's my boy. Alright. I think Mr. Honorable, wala ka to expect a hearing po dito. Maybe next week.
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer. May request to call po yung mga officers po sa different todas dito sa Reina Mercedes, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes. I'd like to meet them again.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding. Gusto ko rin po magbigay ng remarks, Mr. Presiding, regarding po sa MTOP 3 ng ating mga Reina Mercedes Tricycle Operators dito po sa Reina Mercedes. Sapagkat ito po ay nagkaroon po tayo ng hearing noon, hindi nga lang po na tuloy. Ito po sana ay mawing yung kanilang MTOP 3. Kaya magmula noon hanggang ngayon po, Mr. Presiding, ay kailangan po tayo ng aming mga tricycle drivers regarding sa MTOP team. Ito po ay ibibigay namin libre o mabing. But then again, inisip po namin Mr. Presiding, na parang alanganin po kasi makakita po yung aming revenue collection. Kaya meron po tayong iisip na alternative na yun, baka pwede po natin i-subsidize. Yun po ang maging pag-uusapan po ng aming konsero. para mapagbigyan po natin ang ating mga tricycle drivers and operators sa request po nila na talagang naman pinangako nga daw kung nakaraan direction.
You make me blush. But to the people, good things are coming. Yeah, okay, so attend the hearings, and good news, good tidings shall arrive.
Yes, maraming salamat po, Mr. Presiding, sa inyong konsiderasyon para accommodate po natin ang ating mga tricycle drivers and mga tricycle operators and drivers sa Mercedes at ibigay po natin sa kanila yung libre ng kanila po MSA. So, Mr. Secretary, next item o unfinished business, please.
For the next item, the unfinished business, resolution updating the mentioned account of local government unit of Mercedes Isabela at Land Bank of the Philippines, Kawayan City branch, and authorizing the Honorable Mayor Atty. Maria Lourdes Respicio P. Saguban and Municipal Treasurer Cesar P. Lagutao to update their specimen signature as official signatories thereto.
Mr. Presiding, Mr. Floor Leader, with regard to this business, we tackled last session po. We have the resolution, copy of the resolution. This is to authorize our municipal mayor and our municipal treasurer for the specimen signatories and transactions to the local land bank of the Philippines. With this, motion to pass a resolution updating the current accounts of the local government unit of Reina Mercedes Isabela and authorizing the Honorable Mayor, Attorney Maria Lourdes P. Respicio Saguban and Municipal Treasurer P. Lagutao to sign the specimen signature thereto. Mr. President.
Anyone who wishes to debate our number one? No one. So I assume that you have moved to set aside those parts of our internal rules concerning the readings and other formalities related to that procedure. So let's put it up to vote. The passage of this particular resolution, those who wish it passed, say aye.
Aye.
Those who do not, say nay. I hear none. This resolution has passed this council.
Mr. Presiding, we are done with our unfinished business. So let's move to the business for today. I request, may we request the Assembly Secretary to be directed to read the business for the day.
For the business of the day, under B, the first is a resolution requesting financial assistance from the ECC Council for the repair / rehabilitation and conversion of 10 existing daycare center to 10 development center amounting to 1 billion pesos.
Mr. Presiding, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa Early Childhood Care and Development Council kasi po, isa po tayo sa napiling recipient po ng financial assistance na ibibigay po nila sa atin for the repair and rehabilitation and conversion of our existing daycare center into the development centers project of the ECCD amounting to 1 million po. Ito po yung 10 daycare center po natin na tutulong po ang ECCD to rehabilitate po at mapaganda po yung mga classrooms po ng ating minamahal na bata dito po sa bayan ng Reina Mercedes. And inulit po nagpapasalamat po kami sa Council ng ECCD at kami po ang isa sa napili ninyo na mabigyan po ng financial assistance dito sa bayan ng Reina Mercedes.
Congratulations, Mr. Honorable Number One. You might also want to give credit to our executive officer.
Yes,
Madam Attorney Mayor Malu Rescricio Sagutan.
Maraming salamat po sa ating muling Mayor Attorney Malu, siyempre ang ating Vice Mayor at sa ating council and the whole family po of Reyna Mercedes, even our Municipal Social Welfare and Development Officer, Mr. Presiding. Thank you po, Mr. Presiding.
Right. I just want to highlight the communication from the Early Childhood Care and Development Council congratulating our Honorable Mayor Maria Lourdes Rescricio Sagutan for an excellent work with respect to the establishment of this child care center. Because of that exceptional work, we, the municipality of Reyna Mercedes, was eligible to receive further funding. And so we have, for each of those 10, we can further improve them with a budget of 100K pesos each year. All right, congratulations. Much credit to our Mayor, Honorable Maria Lourdes Rescricio Sagutan. Great job, man.
Mr. Secretary, next item.
Oh, are we to pass this one, right?
Yes.
Mr. Presiding, since we don't have the copy of the resolution, maybe finish first the resolution and then we approve for the next session.
I take that as a motion to refer the matter to the proper committee. Yes. And to what committee, sir? Your committee.
Yes, Mr. Presiding.
Is it seconded? It is. So no objections. The measure is referred to your committee. Mr. Honorable Number One, congratulations, sir.
Thank you po, Mr. President.
Mr. Secretary, next item for the business of the ladies.
For the next item, marked as number 2, a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Attorney Maria Lourdes Rescricio Sagutan, to enter and execute in behalf of the municipality of Reyna Mercedes the deed of absolute sale of parcel of land registered in the name of Ronaldo of Tabisula and situated at Dangan, Reyna Mercedes, Isabela.
So, anong committee po natin naka-refer to, Mr. Secretary?
This was referred to the Honorable Paulo Arato.
Yes, Noel Adun, you are recognized.
Yes, Mr. Presiding, with this business, may I also defer this, Mr. Presiding, so that I can research for the details on the said business, Mr. Presiding.
All right. Then to the next matter.
Mr. Secretary, next item is for the business of the ladies.
The next item, number 3, a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Attorney Maria Lourdes Rescricio Sagutan, to enter and execute in behalf of the municipal government of Reyna Mercedes the deed of absolute sale of a parcel of land registered in the name of Placido Medina and situated at Nakpak Pequeño, Reyna Mercedes, Isabela. Again,
Mr. Presiding, with regards to this business, dito po natin ilalagay yung sanitary landfill natin po, Mr. Presiding, sa barangay ng Pakkupiqueño po. Ang may-ari po ng lupa, si Sir Placido Medina po. Yung last po na-discuss po natin regarding the sanitary landfill from the reprogramming business po natin, Mr. President.
Are we to have a hearing on this, sir? Committee hearing?
Yes, Mr. Presiding, para mas malinaw at
So I take that as a motion for its referral to the proper committee. And is it to your committee, sir?
yes,
Whose committee?
committee ko rin, Mr. Presiding.
And what committee is that?
Appropriation and budget approval, Mr. Presiding.
Alright, so I take that as a motion. I hear a second. No objections. There is none. The matter is clear. Let's go back to the prior measure.
Mr.
I'm
President.
sorry, excuse me, sir. Mr. Number One. Wait, let's go back to the prior measure.
We conduct the committee hearing on October 16th.
Alright, it's up to you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding.
Alright. Sorry, gentlemen. But let's go back to the prior measure. I think that was the first time we read that matter. So hindi pa siya na-refer. So i-refer natin sa proper committee, right? Yeah, so I hear a motion for its referral.
Motion to refer the item, this item, number 2, Mr. Gill.
Yes.
The resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter and execute in behalf of the municipal government of Regional Marcellus the deed of absolute sale to a parcel of land registered in the name of Ronaldo Tabisula and situated at the be referred to Committee on Appropriations, Honorable Adjun Mr. Day.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Attorney Maria Lourdes Pires Precious Abuban, to enter and execute in behalf of the municipal government of Reyna Mercedes the deed of absolute sale of parcel of land registered in the name of Placido Medina and situated at Tampico Pequeño, Reyna Mercedes, Isabela.
Yes.
For committee hearing, Mr. President.
Alright, sir.
Thank you.
And will you edify us, sir, as to the purpose of this sale? Para lang excite tayo.
With this business, Mr. Chair, ito pong lupang to ay gagamitin po natin for the sanitary landfill po natin.
Oh, one Hindangan and
Ano
another.
po, the first one po, yung sa business number 3 po, sa Nagpakupiken niya po, Mr. President.
How about the po yung sale name?
Dangan, mag-research po muna ako, Mr.
Alright.
Yung
Alright.
number 3 lang po.
Fair enough. Let's talk about that during the hearings.
Thank you po, Mr. President.
So I say that that's a second to the motion. Any objection? None? That matter is referred to that committee.
Mr. Sandias, next item, please.
For the court, for consideration, the resolution approving the Economic Development Fund for fiscal year 2026 of the municipality of Reyna Mercedes.
And again, Sir Presiding, be referred to Honorable Adjun.
Thank you, Honorable Galabay. With this resolution approving the Economic Development Fund for fiscal year 2026 of Municipality of Reyna Mercedes, Mr. Presiding, may we conduct again for the committee hearing with this business, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Number One, kindly give us a background of this measure and make a motion for its referral to the proper committee.
As a proper committee, ako din po, Mr. Presiding.
Alright, give us a
And,
background.
with regards with the Economic Development Fund of the Municipality of Reyna Mercedes, ito po yung mga pondo natin na ginagamit for the 2026 development fund like rehabilitations, installations, repair, purchase of land po. Ginagamit din po natin dito na hinahati po natin na sinisharean, binibigyan po natin ang 20 barangays po, Mr. Presiding. And then for the, we are using this for the priority projects, programs, and activities po natin dito sa bayan ng Reyna Mercedes for the EDF fund.
Yeah, ready? Make the motion, sir. Motion to refer to what committee?
Mr. Presiding, I move to refer the subject matter to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Copy that, Mr. Majority Floor Leader.
Any second?
I will second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? None. The referral is carried.
Mr. Secretary.
For the next, the resolution approving the local disaster risk reduction management fund for fiscal year 2026 in the municipality of Reyna Mercedes, 5% of the budget.
So this subject matter is also referred to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation, none other than Honorable Paula.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader, Mr. Presiding. With regards to this resolution, approving the Local Disaster Risk Reduction Management Fund for fiscal year 2026 of Municipality of Reyna Mercedes. With this fund, Mr. Chair, dito po natin binabudget yung quick response fund po natin kung may mga calamities po, for emergency calamities, or pag nag-declare po tayo ng what do you call it? State of calamity po, yung 30% po nito. And the rest po, like yung ginagawa din po natin sa barangay, we are using this for the preparedness, mitigations, and yung mga response po natin pagka may mga kalamidad at saka mga emergency situations po dito sa bayan ng Reyna Mercedes, Mr. President. 5% fund po ng LGU.
Sounds fine. All right, make the referral.
So, Mr. Chair, so ito po, Mr. Presiding, magkakandak pa rin po tayo ng committee hearing.
Yes.
Committee ni Honorable Adel.
Yes, we will
Mr. Chair, Mr. Presiding, I move to refer this subject matter to the Committee on Finance, Appropriation, and Budget, figured by Honorable Adel, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. Mr. Presiding, magpakandak din po tayo ng committee hearing po regarding this fund po.
Motion seconded.
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
No objection. The motion is carried.
Mr. Secretary, next item, please.
46, the resolution approving the local council for the protection of children, or the LCPC fund for fiscal year 2026 of the municipality of Reyna Mercedes.
Mr. President, the same referred to Honorable Adel, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader, Mr. Presiding. A resolution approving the Local Council for the Protection of Children LCPC Fund for fiscal year 2026 of the municipality of Reyna Mercedes for 1% of the fund of the LGU Reyna Mercedes. With this fund, Mr. Presiding, is ito po, yung mga gagastusin po natin, lalong-lalo na po sa protection po, mga pulisiya, ng mga bata, para po patulungan po natin sila kung ano man mga problema kailangan po natin itulong sa mga bata na lalong-lalo na po yung na abuso or ano pa man na pwede natin pong itulong sa mga bata, Mr. President.
Wow, nakaka-excite yan, Mr. Honorable Number 1. Kaya ating mga kababayan nakikinig ngayon, meron po kayong mga nakalaang budget para sa inyong mga sektor, para sa mga kabataan, kababaihan, katatandaan, at para sa mga infrastructure na gusto nyo rin gawin. Kaya mag-participate po kayo sa mga araw na maghihiring tayo dito. Pumunta pa kayo dito. I-recognize po kayo ng ating chairman ng committee para kung marinig ninyo kung anong gusto ninyo mangyari sa ating bayan. Yun lamang po ang pagkakataon ninyo para makapag-participate. So So, much credit ang binibigay natin sa ating Honorable Number 1. Napakasipag niya, lalo na sa ating successful na pagganap ng barangay hearings. Nakita po ninyo kung gaano niya hinandel yung mga proceedings na yun. Naging maliwanag at nakapag-participate po ang lahat. Sana ganoon din ka-fruitful or mas fruitful pa at participative. Yung process na yun, especially ang pinag-uusapan na natin, ay yung pera mismo ng ating munisipyo. At kayo po ay kanyang inaanyayahan na sabihin ang inyong mga ninanais na gawin sa ating bayan with respect sa mga bagay-bagay na yun na pinagdaraanan ng salapi ng ating budget.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding. We will conduct also committee hearing in this matter.
Yes, Mr. Presiding, I move to refer the subject matter to the Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriation and Budget Approval to the committee chaired by Honorable Mr. Chair.
Copy that, Mr. Majority Floor Leader.
Seconded? Yes. No objection. The referral to the committee is made.
Mr. Secretary,
The next, approving the Magna for senior citizen and person with disability on the PWDs fund for fiscal year 2026 of the municipality of Puerto Mercedes equivalent to 1%.
Mr. Presiding, this subject matter is referred to Honorable Captain.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. Mr. Presiding, with this matter, resolution approving the Magna Carta for senior citizen and PWD fund for fiscal year 2026. The same po sa mga pinuntuhan natin na mga LCPC, L-Dream. Ito po, para naman po sa ating mga PWD, person with disabilities, senior citizen po. Naghati po sila sa kanilang pondo, Mr. Presiding. Siyempre, magkakandak din po tayo ng committee hearing for this matter, Mr. Presiding.
Yes, Mr. Presiding, ang kinatawag ito ay magalang na nag-motion na sinasanghuli sa committee ng Finance, Appropriation at Budget Approval. Walang iba ang ating pong kagalang-galang na kinatawan from Talungan, Barangay Talungan, Honorable Paulo Adto, Mr. Presiding.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor and Mr. Presiding. Copy for this matter. Thank you.
May pumapakalawa ba sa motion ni Mr. Heribert Galapay?
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
You cannot second your own motion, sir!
I second the motion.
I second the motion.
Seconded. No objection. Ang pagsasampuni ay hindi na lang.
Mr. Secretary, next item is.
For the last item under business of the day, a resolution approving the 5% gender development fund for fiscal year 2026 of the municipality of Puerto Mercedes.
So, Mr. Presiding, this subject matter is referred to Honorable Paulo Adto, Mr. Presiding.
Mr. Majority Floor Leader, Mr. Presiding, with this matter, resolution approving the Gender and Development Fund for fiscal year of the municipality of fiscal year 2026 of the municipality of Puerto Mercedes. With this Gender and Development Fund, ginagamit po natin ito for the campaigns, advocacy programs po ng ating mga kababaihan, mga ibang sektor po na pwede natin tulungan regarding their gender and development problems po. And naglaan po tayo ng pondo po dito. And we will conduct also committee hearing for this month po, Mr. Presiding.
Thank you so much, Mr. Honorable Number One. I hope it develops my agenda. Because currently, it's time. Alright. So there's a motion for its referral to the proper committee.
Yes, Mr. Presiding, ang tinatawag ito ay magalang na nagmomosyon at sinasangguni sa Committee on Finance and Appropriation and Approval. Walang iba ang ating kagalang-galang na kinatawag ng Tanlungan, Honorable Paulo Banjo at Mr. Presiding.
Thank you, Honorable Galabay, our Majority Floor Leader, Mr. Presiding. With this matter, we will conduct a committee hearing copy this matter, Mr. Chair. Mr. Presiding, thank you.
Motion is seconded. Second. Yes. No objection. The referral has been made.
Mr. Secretary, next item is
Now, until the visit of the day, Mr. Presiding, and for the unassigned radio.
So, other matters, Mr. Secretary, if meron ba tayong mga
For the other matters, Mr. Presiding, regarding the administrative investigation against the Puno Barangay, of certain Puno Barangay of Dangan, Breda Mercedes, the Puno Barangay, and the Respisio.
So, ito po ay i-refer natin sa Committee on Laws and Ordinances. Mr. Secretary.
Alright, if you'll permit me, everyone, I do not suggest that it be referred to. Let's try this as a body. As a body. Hindi kailangan na mahaba yung hearing. Kahit na 1 day kami. Kailangan na may abogado para hindi masyadong stressful sa mga parties. Gawin natin, usually yung mga tao kasi kapag nakakarinig sila ng aso, nakaka-stress. Sa totoo lang po, hindi yan nakaka-stress kapag mabilis. Dahil yung resulta sa huli ay hindi naman mabigat. At kung mabigat man, okay lang yan. Basta mabilis matapos. Yun po yung kinocommit ng council dito. Umpisan lang kagad, investigahan, hearings kagad, trial kagad, hanggang maaari matapos kagad. At tapos na kagad. Para magkaroon tayo ng practice dito sa ating bayan. At masanay tayo na mapanagot kapag mayroon na nanalo. Maganda po ang institusyon na ito na didisiplinaan ang ating mga opisyalis ng barangay para maraman nila na meron pa rin silang pananagutan sa council ng bayan ng Reyna Mercedes. So ano po ang suggestion ninyo? Ang nasa isip ko ay gandang natin yung hearing Tuesday next week. Tuesday next week.
October 21.
Para may sapat na pagkakataon yung kanilang abogado, kung gusto nilang magdala ng abogado, na magprepara ng kanilang mga argumento, mga witness, at iba pang mga ebidensya. Asahan po ng mga party na magkakaroon kayo ng opening argument on that day at i-present ang inyong mga witness at ibang mga ebidensya. Kasama na ang mga documentary evidence. Kaya sa araw na yun po ay maging handa na rin po kayo sa inyong mga witness, dalhin nyo na po at dalhin nyo na rin ang inyong ibang mga ebidensya. Kompleto na po. Kung kaya natin tapusin sa isang araw, tapusin na po natin. Yung mga members ng council, uupo po kayo na nakaharap sa kanila. Imagine po ninyo yung mga nangyayari ng impeachment trial para lang po sa normal. Maging handa po kayo na magtanong sa abogado, sa witness, at pag-aralan ang kanilang mga dokumento. Kayo po ay uupo bilang mga husgado. Kahit ano po pwede yung sabihin. Ang bawal lang ay maging obvious na partial. Wala ko yung decision, ay mukhang nag-decision ka na. Pero, okay lang naman kung meron kang gustong puhuntungan yung mga tanong mo, kahit hindi okay lang. Ikaw naman yung judge. So, ganun po. At maging handa rin kayo na i-explain ang inyong modo. Sa araw rin na iyon, cast ang ating modo kung guilty ba or not being guilty yung respondent doon sa disciplinary action. At handa rin kayong magsuot ng togang itim for maximum appearance. Kakaroon tayo ng togang itim. Di ba ba niya?
So, Mr. Presiding, handa na po ba yung magiging goal natin sa
Yes! Perfectly described, sir. Gown! Yes, gown. Magkakaroon tayo. In-charge ang ating staff dyan. Black gown. Toga! Today, lalabas yung ating invitation, sir, Mr. Secretary. You signed that invitation. Let's do it on Tuesday. To invite the parties, if they have a lawyer, to bring their lawyer, to bring their witnesses, their documentary evidence, and other forms of evidence, and be ready for opening and closing arguments, the presentation of their witnesses and their pieces of evidence, and be ready for a decision also on that very day. If we are, I don't see any reason that it has to be protracted, this process. Bigyan natin ng model yung ating mga husgado, yung judiciary. Ang babagal kasi bilang parati. Hindi naman kailangan mabagal, di ba? Hindi na sa right of service. Mabilis kami mag-dispense ng kaso dito. Ng justisya dito sa aming bayan. Tuesday na lang. Umaga na lang. Parang fresh naman. Huwag sila masyadong may stress. Okay lang. Magiging partial po tayo. At isa-side natin yung mga batas. Ito yung mga pagkakataon. Pag-aralan mo ninyo yung particular local government code natin is students. Ito yung pagkakataon na kung dito sa ating council, kapag nag-legislative process tayo, hindi kayo masyadong required na mag-set ng batas kasi political exercise. So, ibig sabihin, wisdom ninyo, walang mas mataas sa wisdom ninyo. Kasi yung wisdom na kinikirin ninyo ay reflection ng mandate ng taong bayan. So, hindi nyo kailangan i-explain. Pero kapag justice lang pinag-usapan, judicial, kailangan align siya sa jurisprudence. So kapag nag-explain kayo ng inyong mga position, aasahan kayo na prudent siya, jurisprudent siya with notions, general principles of justice. Yes, gusto ko lang, nasa other matters na tayo, meron pa other matters na gusto talakayin natin natin ito mga kasama. Matatapos na po tayo. Bring up na lang, kahit lang bagay.
Mr. Secretary, ano ba ba tayong bagay na pag-uusapan?
Ako po, mga kailangan ng hukuman tayo.
Mamatas na yun. Kaya sa atin, hukum tayo sa Tuesday.
Batas. Kasi 2 weeks or 1 month, nasabi ko lang sa kasi malapit na yung Christmas. Every 2 years kasi nire-request na set up na Christmas. Wala pa tayong nilalagay na mga panamuti natin. So yun po. Kung ano yung mga suggestion na ilalagay natin, wala pa tayong nilalagay. Lahat naman kayo dito is Christian na nag-exercise tayo ng Christmas. So, as yung executive order ni Mayor, siguro kailangan natin yan para
Yeah, but baka gusto mong, pwede natin actually informally refer to sa isang committee para at magpasa tayo ng resolution for that. Para mag-pressure. Parang alam mo, ang suggestion ko na pag-refer natin ito ng special committee, consistent sa color of Christmas, white Christmas. the paradox, Mr. Albino Kuntapan. Siya dapat ang in-charge sa ating
Congratulations to in charge sa employees.
The second the motion.
Sige, take up natin yung next time. Take up natin yung next time. Gawin ito lang po. Parang na rin.
Pero ito ang in charge sa installation.
Lumaki daw sa saksi. Alright. Yan, kaya... Sige na, i-refer mo natin kung next time. Pwede yung regulations natin, pwede natin ipasa sa resolution. Para lang ma-respect natin kung meron mga belief systems na not necessarily adopting or espousing the Christmas tradition. Pero at least sabi natin na formally na ginali natin yung ating decision na mag-display ng Christmas traditions, which is nice. I think it's nice.
Mr. Presiding,
Mr. Herigar.
with regards to this concern, Mr. Presiding, siguro we'll leave this to to our staff sa ating mga Assembly Secretary at Mr. Presiding.
Yes.
Bahala na po siguro sila. Lahat naman ang ginagawa ng ating mga staff ay maayos at isusupervise na lang siguro ng bawat ginagawa ng Mr. Presiding.
Yeah. Vagina stories. Alright. Meron pa po ibang mga bagay?
Meron pa po, Mr. Presiding. Regarding sa natin sa picture taking, humihingi po ako ng pasensya kasi medyo nagbaroon na yun. Kasi itong last Monday, natuloy yung yung picture taking natin. Pero yung yung pag-picture sa atin, yung photographer, schedule niya ang Monday, sigurado na daw yun. Since na yung natin, yung damit ninyo, yung uniform ninyo is under barong shirt sleeve tayo, siguro damit na lang ninyo yung long sleeve for the purpose before picture taking on Monday before yung session natin para may rest pa nyo lang natin yung aura natin. Yun lang po.
Yeah, very Alright. Ganito rin po, meron din po akong concern kasi po, in the past few weeks, pabalik-balik ako ng Manila. I think 2 times, 3 times ako nag-trip every week papuntang Manila. And ako'y napapagod na. Bukas pupunta ulit ako ng Manila, babalik ulit ako for may arrangement po ako sa kinaso sa aking mayor. May arrangement po ako sa ilangan sa Wednesday pa, and may mga hearing tayo ng Thursday. So iniisip ko po sa mga susunod na linggo, maaaring ang gawin natin ay session natin ng Monday, pero yung mga committee hearings ay Tuesday, Wednesday na. Pero yung hearing na taken up ng Monday is i-hear siya ng next week. So hindi agad-agad that Tuesday or Wednesday. Para yung 2 times na travel ko sa Manila kapag kailangan ako doon. Kasi may kaso din ako sa Manila. Check and George! Dami naghahabol sa akin. Grabe. So kailangan kong attendan yung mga yun. So instead na mabalik-balik ako Manila 2 times, 3 times a week, at least isang beses na lang. So tuloy-tuloy na yung session and giving experience. Yeah. Or notice lang po lang kasi para mas ma-organize natin next time. Mamaya pagyahin ulit ako. And babalik ulit ako dito for Wednesday. And by the way, magbabakasyon din po siguro tayo ngayong Christmas. Yay! I think baka mawala ako ng secret. Basta be ready, everyone. I want to have fun. Right? Life is short, right? I think we should spend much of our time with loved ones, family, friends.
I did.
Okay? pinakamahalaga talaga sa buhay at mga para sa buhay. Pamilya. Alright, kaya sipagan natin this month, and maybe next month, and then mag-wind down na tayo towards the end of next month. And then we'll finish the year strong, and let's have fun at the end of the year, towards the end of the year. And let's start next year with a blast! Alright, so yun ang na-expect natin. Anything more? Ladies and gentlemen?
Mr. Presiding, with regards po sa committee, inquiry po natin, Mr. Presiding, sa flood control at yung update tayo hindi po dahil natuloy ng nakadaming.
Yun, hindi tayo papayag na hindi matuloy yung hearing sa flood control. At meron tayong ginagawa ng moves na makompare silang pumunta dito sa ating institusyon. Kaya abangan nila sa Thursday, I think matutuloy yung hearing sa Thursday. Dahil kapag hindi mangyari yun, alam na nila kung anong mangyari. Ayaw ko lang sabihin, bakit hindi? Dahil ayaw kong mahiya sila in the meantime. Habang may for a hearing on Thursday, huwag natin muna i-undermine whatever good things that might happen still. But drastic measures will be taken if these institutions really is under Pero I think they will appear on Thursday. I'm super confident about that.
Mr. Presiding, just to clarify lang po natin, yung schedule daw po natin ay October 15, that is Wednesday.
Afternoon na lang. Afternoon na lang kasi morning meeting. That's alright. Wednesday or Thursday or just Wednesday? Wednesday lang. So we had better be sure that they will come. They already know the consequences if they do not come.
Yes, Mr. Presiding. At ang isang magandang bagay, Mr. Presiding, ay ang ginagawa po natin i-include sa mga infrastructure projects na ginagawa dito sa ating municipalidad ay in aid of legislation na makagalawan po tayo ng mga measures kung saan lahat ng mga pumapasok ng mga kontraktor dito sa ating municipality ay kailangan magkaroon ng koordinasyon at kumuha ng mga permiso, clearances, at mga ibang dokumento na may kaugnayan sa kanilang mga proyekto, Mr. Presiding.
Yeah, very good. At this point, there's no more doubt that this body is exercising their power in accordance with law. And obligasyon ng ating mga public officials na mag-respond at mag-abide by law. I think they can. Hindi sila gagawa ng bagay na makaka-damage sa kanila in the long run. In fact, it's the wisest decision for them to attend on Wednesday. That's the kindest circumstance na pwede nila attend the hearing on Wednesday. And we will be kind on Wednesdays. Promise. It will be productive, thoughtful, meaningful, and it will be good for everyone. Versus the alternative, which is the thing that I don't want to do, but I may be compelled to do on account of my public duty to hold everyone responsible. At any rate, DPWH contractors will be held responsible. And our hearing on Wednesday is one way of holding you responsible publicly to the public, to the people. If you are not to be held accountable using that measure, you will be held accountable in one way or another. And these other ways, you will not like. So you had better come on Wednesday. That's it. Any more matters from the body, please? Nothing more. And by the way, congratulations, Mr. Harry Bergalaway, sa inyong competent na pag-lead ng ating session. Yay! Salamat din, Mr. Honorable. Thank you so much. Any motion for the adjournment, please?
Mr. Presiding, ang tinatawag ko ay nagmumungkahi ng motion na kung wala lang pag-usapan ay tatapusin na ang session nito.
May pumapakalawa ba?
Mapangalawa po.
Pumapakalawa? Meron bang kumuha na? Wala. So this session is adjourned. Thank you everyone. Excellent job for today. I really have fun working with you guys. You made my day today. I love seeing you all. Thank you. I miss you, Mr. Valedictorian and Mr. Bawa. Come next soon. I wish you as well. Big Daddy. This session is adjourned.